Best folding wagons. As outdoor adventures, camping trips, and backyard activities become more popular, the demand for the best folding wagons has grown rapidly. People now look for durable, space-saving wagons that can carry heavy loads and handle rough terrain. This guide evaluates the top models based on type, build quality, wheel design, capacity, and overall value, helping you find a reliable and easy-to-store.
Product number 1. Max Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon, black. The Max Sports Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon is a classic favorite for families and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a durable steel frame and heavy-duty 600D fabric that resists tearing and fading. With a roomy interior and a 150-pound weight capacity, it's perfect for hauling beach gear, gardening tools, or camping supplies. The wagon folds down to just 8 inches thick, making it easy to store in a car trunk or closet. Large wheels provide smooth movement on grass, pavement, and sand. The adjustable handle enhances maneuverability, while the included cup holders add convenience for long days outdoors.
Product number 2. Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Heavy-Duty Utility Wagon, 265 pounds weight capacity. The Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Utility Wagon is built for those who need extra strength and versatility. It offers a robust steel frame that supports up to 265 pounds, ideal for camping gear, groceries, or sports equipment. The weather-resistant polyester fabric ensures durability, while the wagon easily collapses into a compact size for quick storage. Its large, all-terrain wheels make it suitable for everything from garden paths to sandy beaches. A telescoping handle provides excellent control, and the overall design emphasizes balance and stability when fully loaded. Unlike lighter models, this wagon.
Product number 3. VivoSun Collapsible Folding Wagon, 350-pound load-bearing outdoor utility cart. The VivoSun Collapsible Folding Wagon stands out with its impressive 350-pound load capacity, offering unmatched durability for heavy-duty tasks. Its thickened steel frame and double-layer Oxford fabric are built to last, while the 360-degree rotating silent wheels ensure a smooth and quiet ride on all surfaces. This wagon folds in seconds and comes with a carry bag for compact storage. The adjustable handle provides comfortable control, and the reinforced base keeps items stable during transport. Whether you're hauling camping gear, garden soil, or beach supplies, the VivoSun wagon.
Product number 4. Collapsible Wagon Cart with big, all-terrain beach wheels. Designed for outdoor lovers, this collapsible wagon cart features oversized, all-terrain wheels that glide easily across sand, gravel, and grass. It's perfect for beach trips, camping, picnics, and festivals. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 220 pounds, while the sturdy 600D Oxford fabric ensures excellent wear resistance. The ergonomic telescopic handle and built-in cup holders enhance comfort and functionality. It folds flat within seconds, requiring no assembly and saving trunk space. The large wheels are the star feature, ideal for those who frequent uneven outdoor surfaces where standard wagon.
Product number 5. Timber Ridge Outdoor Collapsible Wagon with Brakes. The Timber Ridge Outdoor Collapsible Wagon is a premium choice for shoppers who prioritize stability, convenience, and safety. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 225 pounds, while the durable polyester fabric withstands wear from frequent use. The wagon features all-terrain rubber wheels with built-in brakes, ensuring excellent control on slopes or uneven ground. A side storage bag and cup holders offer added practicality for camping or grocery trips. It folds compactly in seconds with an easy pull handle, and the reinforced structure keeps loads steady. Whether you're heading to a market, garden, or park, this wagon provides dependable transport and smooth handling.